You didn't get this thing done, Pat. Del Tufo is now checking to make sure we're all set. Is he on the phone line? Welcome back to the Rich Eisen Show. Joining me here he might have to become an LA Rams fan if they draft Carson Wentz. He's Josh Jamel joining me here on the Rich Eisen Show. How are you, Josh?
I'm doing great, Rich. I woke up this morning to about 20 text messages saying, "Did you hear?"
They gave up 3 goals in the first 30 minutes, and a couple of them were just total defense.
And like the month means more work.
Here. Are you a business owner without a succession plan? Grant Jones.
I like my job. Maybe we can do some exercise.
He's a powerhouse. So I remember watching him play, his junior year, is the first time he really started playing. I was like, am I wrong, or is this guy really good?